What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, I'm back with another BNGO video. So a couple of big developments are taking place behind the scenes that you should know about as a BNGO investor. First off, we've got some encouraging news out of Germany. I just came across this, it's on the University of Dusseldorf's website. So basically University of Dusseldorf is considered an excellent research university, and it's one of the top universities in Germany, which is why I'm paying attention to this. For the detection of large genetic variations, structural variants, short-read sequencing technology proves to be insufficient. To maintain the high resolution of short reads, expensive long-read sequencing is often applied. A less costly option is optical mapping, which uses base motif labeling with fluorescence microscopy to obtain genome data. The produced molecules are 3 to 6 times longer than long reads on average, but do not contain nucleotide information. The data consists of label positions of the base motif instead. This, combined with a higher error rate, proves the alignment and assembly of molecules necessary for variant detection. As part of a project collaborating with the university clinic, we analyzed samples of leukemia patients with pediatric oncology and developed new algorithms to detect structural variants in optical mapping data and investigate their relation to the onset and progression of cancer. So in other words, the university is basically acknowledging that optical mapping is best suited for analyzing samples of leukemia patients. And this isn't all. It seems like the rest of the world is also taking notice about the applications and usefulness of Bionano Genomics' sapphire system. So check this out. This is a job posting in Qatar. We are seeking a talented and a highly motivated senior research scientist in bioinformatics, statistical genetics to join a large team of medical and population genomics lab, Sidra Medicine in Qatar. Now, why is this important and how does this relate to BNGO? Well, let's look at what required experience they're looking for in a successful candidate. So, experience working with established computational methods for the analysis of high-throughput technologies, covering as much techniques from sequencing such as Illumina, PacBio, 10x Genomics, Bionano, as well as human imaging. So this is great to see. It shows BNGO's footprint is actually growing worldwide every day. The fact that BNGO is now being mentioned alongside the likes of Illumina and PacBio is absolutely massive. A couple of years ago, nobody was talking about BNGO, so this just goes to show just how quickly the company is growing and getting recognition on a global scale. So these are a couple of great developments that have taken place recently. Now let's take a look at the chart to see where BNGO's stock price is going next week and the key levels we should look at. But before I give you my analysis for Monday, I have to make it clear that these are just short-term fluctuations that I'm predicting. Unless you are a swing trader or a day trader, you shouldn't make decisions of buying or selling BNGO stock based on short-term price fluctuations. This is literally just to mentally prepare you for what might happen next week. So as you can see here, we were in a downtrend here most of the last week, but right towards the end of the day, we broke out of this downtrend because we got a bunch of volume at the end. The extra bit of volume here is forming a flagpole chart pattern. When flag patterns form on a chart, it usually means that we're going to see a sharp temporary reversal. My prediction for Monday is that we are going to see a sharp reversal to the upside and the price is going to go up sharply, but this will not be long-lived and we will again start heading downwards or trade sideways. This is because flag chart patterns are known as continuation patterns. It means that if a stock was in a downtrend previously, we will get a temporary reversal and the price will shoot up, but then downward trend will continue and the stock price will head back down or trade sideways. This is backed by another indicator here, the moving averages. As a general rule of thumb, whenever a short-term moving average crosses a long-term moving average on the downside, this usually means that the price is either going to trade sideways or head downwards. Unfortunately, that's the case here. As you can see, the red line here is the shorter moving average and it's crossing over the longer moving average in black on the downside. So, the bottom line for next week is we might get a temporary sharp rise in price. This will most likely be short-lived and we will head back down or even trade sideways for the remainder of Monday. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next one.